Mhm. Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. In today's video, I have been reading your comments and it looks like we have three memes to talk about in this video. And these three memes are the ones that you have been asking for. So guys, here you have it. So we're going to kick off the show with, well, before I get into that, why don't we strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets. So let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. We are going to jump straight into Lfgo because Lfgo decided to wake up and it looks like that we are on the verge of seeing a decent run to the upside. And I'm going to explain to you what
I reckon
that we should be able to see at least minimum 100x for Lfgo. Plus we're going to take a little detail on it. Plus we're going to be checking out their website as well because I want to show you why Lfgo has something that is slightly more advantage over the rest of their space, because their website is so engaging. It looks really cool actually, and with some of the projects that I have running, guys, it's going to blow your mind. In fact, I would go as far as to say that this should be a 1000x meme from the Solana network. But guys, what do you reckon? Do you reckon that Lfgo could reach to that 1000x? Well, before we get into that, without further ado, strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmet, so let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back my lovely people. And in today's video, we are just going to be focusing on Lfgo. So let's effing go. The market cap is at 3.8 million. Congratulations, hats off for everyone who's been holding here for the longest. And we are currently in profits. We have 2 trades on, and so far they are all in profits. So hats off to me. And hats off to everybody else who are in this trade, and for anyone who's been following my trades as well. So you let me know guys, are you in profits? If so, give me a comment. Either way guys, let's take a look at this. We're up by 19.25% and the price is at 0.003804. So let's take a closer look at the charts. Alright guys, so let's zoom out slightly. This is not a bad looking chart. It is very similar to Pickle. Oh, take a look at that. We've moved and blasted away to the upside. We then capitulated from the very high up here all the way back down to this level. But oh wait, we didn't stop. We then pull back into this level up here, which could have been a perfect block order trade for continuing move to the downside. Then we went even further down. But what do you see? From the larger time frame, what we notice is this, guys. We're noticing a rounding off from this area here and literally following through like so. Now, provided we do continue our way to the upside, guys, our first important resistance should be way up here. And that should put the price of Lfgo at 0.008. So let's pull out the measuring tool and let's measure from the current price. So that means we still got 107% move to the upside in order for us to be able to reach to that resistance line. And once we do smash this level right up here, guys, guess what? We're going to be blasting our way to the upside. And that would be pretty cool for Lfgo. So far we're into 2 trades. Can we get maybe one more trade out of this? Well, before we do so, why don't we just quickly check on our trades. We are in profit for this one. We are also in profit for the second trade. So potentially we could be expecting 794% move to the upside for this trade right up here. And for this trade, 917% move to the upside. Check this out, guys. This is going to be over 9x move between the two. Whew. It's actually over 16% move, maybe 17% move by the time we reach back up to this level right up here. Bear in mind, I am measuring from the actual highest body of the candle, but instead why don't we just zoom out a little, pull up the trade all the way up to the very highest wick, anywhere between here. So that would mean this trade here will give us 1,435% move to the upside, whereas this trade here will give us 1,244. If you combine the two, it's going to be well over 26x between now to the all-time highs. Now that is the power of dollar costing average your way in, acronym DCA. So you might hear me use this acronym quite a lot in this channel. But guys, if you'd like to learn how to do exactly the way how I trade and the way that I DCA my way in, quite simply head over to my YouTube channel, go to my membership right over here, and I've got 2-tier membership. One is a $2.99 and the other one is $5.99 a month. And for the $5.99 a month, you have access to the actual videos, the ones that I post exclusively just for you, like this one over here. So I'll just teach you on how to make some pretty significant trades, and most importantly how to become really profitable within your trades. And then for you guys, if you wait until the bull season, you're going to see some exponential gains, perhaps the best ever gains that you would ever get in your life through trading cryptos and memes in general. But anyway, remember guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I've been doing for the past 4 or 5 years now within crypto, hence why I do have a better win rates now after I've mastered my own skills, which I'm sharing with you all. But please guys, remember, this is a major disclaimer. You could lose it all. You could lose all your money and your trading account will go down to zero. This is an important disclaimer. None of this is financial advice. You could actually be losing all of your money because this is crypto and meme in general that can be very volatile. I'm only showing you exactly what I've been doing for the past 4 or 5 years, so nothing here is guaranteed. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, because as I just said a few seconds ago, you can lose it all, but remember, with great risks there are always a great rewards. And only trade with the amount that you feel comfortable in trading with, and don't use your important money like your rents, paying for the bills and whatnot for trading purposes. Only what you can afford to lose, guys, please. Anyway, now that's out of the way, I reckon that exactly what she says, that I reckon that we should be able to see an easy 100x for this project. Why don't we just quickly jump into their website. Guys, their website is freaking fantastic. Check this out. As we can see right now, guys, they got some new releases here. They got Homer Simpson, they got Cookie Monster, they got He's Puzzled, Never Judge a Brick by its cover. This is quite funny, guys, and I do actually reckon with this Lfgo meme, it definitely has got that staying power. It's got some real strong meme appeal about itself. Exactly what I've been saying for the past God knows how long since I've been covering Bender's Mushroom Cloud. Guys, this is too funny. Brick Hour, Homer's Bro Nut Break. Guys, this is freaking hilarious. Not only do they have some movies and action heroes over here, they also have, look at this guys, some of your potentially favorites YouTube influencers like a Random Man right over here. We've got Julie right over here. We've got Elon Musk right over here. Obviously he's not in crypto, but you get the gist. Fifi Damini. Guys, this is hilarious. And if you'd like to trade Lfgo, guys, head to my info section right now, and that way you'll be able to pick up their contract address. Also, whilst you're at it, if you go down to my info section, you will also find links to quite a few different airdrop opportunities within the TON network. So if you are looking to get some free airdrops, guys, head over to there, use my link, especially with TAPGOAT, because I reckon TAPGOAT could be a pretty decent winner but we're not also too late for Bloom. You'll find the Bloom link underneath. All you got to do is rack up as many points as possible, complete all the daily tasks, very straightforward and simple. Then you'll be able to earn yourself some decent airdrops for when they release that date. So anyway, so we've done enough checking out on their website. Let's go back to their charts. I reckon, guys, 100x away from here, it will put the market cap at $381 million, because 10x away from here, 3.81 million, 100x, 381 million, and then finally, if we see that 1000x, that is 3.81 billion. Let me know, guys, if you're mega bullish on Lfgo. If so, write down in the comments, let's effing go with rocket science. So yes, guys, I do believe that it's going to be a quite decent meme for the bull season. I would be surprised if I see even more than 1000x. But remember, guys, if you put in 1000, but remember, guys, if we do see a 1000x, as little as $100 can turn into $1 million. That is the beauty and the power. Sorry, guys, what I meant to say is, with your $100 account, if we do see that 1000x, that is $100,000. Woof, that would have been the worst math calculation from my end. And if I repeat that in the last few videos, guys, just call me out, call me stupid, just say, hey mate, listen, I think you got it wrong. Then I'll make sure I correct myself for now and moving forward, or just use a freaking calculator. Either way, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. I do hope you find it useful and informative, and maybe I've encouraged you to perhaps look to invest a little bit more in Lfgo before we continue that blast to the upside. But remember, guys, I wouldn't exactly enter right now because it looks like we are continuing our way to the upside still. Let's wait for the pullback before you look to enter. But anyway, you'll find that in the next video. Until then, if you're new and you haven't done so already, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one.